Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 8, 1921. The Virgin, with her love, called the Word to incarnate himself in her womb. Luisa, with her love, and by fusing herself in the divine will, calls the divine will to have life on earth within her. While I was praying, I was fusing all of myself in the divine will. And my sweet Jesus came out from within my interior and, throwing his arm around my neck, told me,
"My daughter, my mama, with her love, with her prayers, and with her annihilation, called me from heaven to earth to incarnate myself in her womb. You, with your love, and with the continuous dissolving of yourself in my volition, will call my will to have life on earth within you, and then you will give me life in other creatures. Know, however, that as my mama called me from heaven to earth, into her womb, since what she did was a unique act which will never be repeated again, I enriched her with all graces. I endowed her with so much love as to make her surpass the love of all creatures united together. I gave her primacy in the privileges, in the glory, in everything. I could say that the whole of the Eternal One reduced himself to one single point and poured himself upon her in torrents, in immense seas, so much so that all remain below her. As you call my will into yourself, this too is a unique act. Therefore, for the decorum of my will which must dwell in you, I must pour so much grace, so much love, as to make you surpass all other creatures. And since my will has supremacy over everything, it is eternal, immense, infinite. There where the life of my will must have its beginning and completion, I must communicate to her, endow her with, enrich her with, the same qualities of my will, giving her supremacy over everything. My eternal volition will take the past, the present, and the future. It will reduce them to one single point, and it will pour it into you. My will is eternal and wants to have life there where it finds eternity. It is immense and wants life in the immensity. It is infinite and wants to find infinity. How can I find all this if I do not pour it in you before?"
On hearing this, I was frightened and terrified. And if I wrote this, it is because obedience imposed itself. And I said, "Jesus, what are you saying? You really want to confound me and humiliate me to the dust. I feel that I cannot even tolerate what you are saying. I feel a terror that frightens the whole of me." And he added,
"What I say to you will serve me. It is necessary to the sanctity and dignity of my will. I do not lower myself to dwelling there where I do not find the things that belong to me. You will be nothing other than the depository of a good so great which you must be jealous of keeping. Therefore, pluck up courage and do not fear."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.